Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. We have something special in store for all the content creators out there. We are diving deep into the magical world of castmagic.io, a tool that promises to revolutionize your content creation process. So let's get started. In today's digital age, content creators are always on the lookout for tools that can streamline their process and enhance productivity. Castmagic.io stands as a beacon of innovation in this regard, offering a plethora of features that turn your audio content into a variety of useful formats like transcriptions, summaries, and even noteworthy quotes, making it an ideal choice for podcasters and YouTubers alike. To kickstart your journey with castmagic.io, head over to their website to explore their offerings. The platform promises to turn audio into content like magic, providing you with summarized bullet points, tweets, social posts, and much more, all at your fingertips. The process is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Upload your MP3 or YouTube link, select the outputs you desire, and voila, your content is ready to dazzle your audience. Now let's delve into the features and interface of castmagic.io. Once you log in using your Google account, you'll be greeted warmly and guided to set up your space, which represents your channel, organization, or project name. Following this, you'll be asked to specify the language and create a content profile that outlines the AI content generation services you'll be utilizing. Depending on your profile selection, be it YouTube or podcasts, you can avail a variety of services ranging from clip finding, key topic identification, to creating engaging email newsletters and social media posts. The platform even caters to meetings and coaching sessions, ensuring there's something for everyone. Uploading your files or linking your YouTube video is a breeze, but remember, the YouTube video needs to be public for the platform to access it. Once uploaded, castmagic.io works its magic, generating a wide array of content outputs, ready to be integrated into your platforms or blogs. But here's a special tip for you. Before you opt for a premium plan, make sure to check out AppSumo, where you can snag these plans at a discounted rate, saving you a significant amount of money. Now, you must be wondering about the pricing. Castmagic.io offers 3 premium plans: Hobby, Starter, and Rising Star. To give it a test run, register for a 7-day free trial, where you can explore all the features firsthand. After the trial, based on your experience and needs, you can opt for a premium plan that suits you best. What sets castmagic.io apart is its ability to regenerate content, allowing you to respin the same content with a fresh perspective. Moreover, the platform's magic charts are at your disposal to answer any queries about your recording, offering results and suggestions almost instantly. Sharing and collaborating on content is a breeze with castmagic.io. You can easily share a link with your colleagues or assistants, granting them access to the generated content. And if you need to make adjustments, simply click on the Edit Recording button to modify your data. In conclusion, if you're a content creator seeking a tool that amplifies your productivity and diversifies your content creation, castmagic.io is worth a try. It not only saves time, but also elevates the quality of your content, promising an effortless content generation experience. Before we wrap up, remember, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'm here to assist you in your content creation journey. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for our next video, where we will explore even more avenues in the fascinating world of content creation. Until then, happy creating.